Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Smith. Thank you for letting me take a couple minutes here during our Tiger Time and talk to you about something that I think is a building we can work on. And what that is our areas of expectations, and a specific one that I think, one thing that we have seen so far this year that we can make some ground in. So throughout the building, we have our expectations posted all over the place. Classrooms, lunchroom, hallways, bathrooms, and those expectations focus on three things. Can you remember what those three things are? I'll give you a quick minute here to think about it. Those three areas are safe, respectful, and responsible. And the one that I would like to spend a couple minutes here to talk about, and we have a couple other videos put together to just show you some examples and things that we have seen thus far, is the area of safety. One of the specific locations that I would like to spend a little bit of time on is at recess and in that area of safety. So looking through our expectations here, we have use equipment appropriately, rocks, sticks, and snow stay on the ground, and hands and feet to ourselves. The area of hands and feet to ourselves is the area that I would like to focus on, because one of the things that keeps happening is when we're having a disagreement at recess, rather than use our words, we're going straight to using our hands and feet to try and resolve conflict. We have two videos of specific scenarios that we have seen so far this year that I want you to take a look at and think about whether these are small problems, big problems, and possible ways that we would handle those. I know Mrs. Gruey works with you on guidance. If it's a small problem, what are some of those ways that we ask you to handle that? One of the things that we do is just asking the person to please stop. If it doesn't end there, then ignoring them. It can lead to eventually a big problem. Big problems are ones that we need to get an adult involved, because it could be somebody potentially getting hurt. So take a peek at these next videos and think about small problems, big problems, and how we could handle them.
No, it's mine. Just try it. You're out.
Oh, that hit line.
No, you're out.
Oh, that hit line. I'm in here.
After seeing those two videos, in the classroom with a disagreement over coloring and outside playing Foursquare, talk as a Tiger Time group about different ways we could handle that, rather than how, in this case, Mr. Stenberg handled that by either taking the crayon, ripping up the paper, and then out at recess, shoving Mrs. Gruey over a disagreement over Foursquare. We want everybody to have fun throughout school, whether it's in the classroom, lunchroom, hallway, or out at recess. But one thing that we have to make sure on is that everybody is being safe. You guys are all awesome. I know you can do a great job with this. Thanks, and have a great